welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Yeah. Anyways, so we back at it again. I am knocking the dust off the natural nail right now. Vroom, 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 vroom. Going as fast as I can, because I'm the gingerbread man. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm tired. I'm tired. So I'm using some curved tips. The tips, I got these from Nail Fetish Nails on Instagram. I got the natural nail colored tips from Fetish Nails on Instagram, and I got the clear curved tips from, I don't know. I have no idea, but it's another Instagram shop. I want to say her name is Shelville. Shelville, something like that. She also has an Instagram channel. Sure does. I'm taking an 8080 grit hand file and I'm just squaring off the ends and making sure the nail is fitting sidewall to sidewall. Yes, ma'am. These are ski vibes. And I'm also blending in the tip with the natural nail. Then I'm using my sanding band, going across that thing, because I like to apply my acrylic on the nail ashy and make sure you dust your clients off, period, point blank. That's it. That's all. I'm dehydrating with Mia Secrets dehydrator. I am priming with No Lip nail primer, and I will be letting that dry down. And now I am putting a thin layer of clear on the natural nail. Tap it, tap it, tap it, bring it on down, bring it on down, bring it on down. Thin layer, tap it, tap it, tap it, seal it, seal it, seal it, clean it up, bring it on down, bring it on down, seal it, seal it, seal it, bring it on down, clean it up. Alright, now 2 nails are going to be in real time. Okay, it's in real time. So, boom, we dropped that bead. This is a glow in the dark powder, so it does tend to be very loose. Loose as a goose, don't get me started. 2 shots of Patron. Okay, so I just take my time. I'm actually moving really, really slow, because if I move this acrylic too fast, too hard, it's all gonna swipe off the nail. That's how loose this acrylic is. So just be mindful of that, especially if you on a time limit, time crunch. You know what I'm saying? Like, oh, it's gonna take me longer to do your set if I use this acrylic right here. Okay? Because it shouldn't take this long to do no dang on do one nail. I promise it really shouldn't take this long. But it did. It definitely did. So yeah. Hold on, y'all. I need to put this computer on do not disturb, so that nobody else call me. Oh, and just like that, we're on do not disturb. So yep, make sure you keep the shape, clean it up, clean it up. Y'all know I'm really anal about those things at the bottom, the little loose acrylic, and I dropped the acrylic, and so we're gonna pick it up and we still gonna use it, baby. We still gonna use it. Bring it on down, bring it on down. Tame the top, and bring it on down, bring it on down. Y'all know the method. Y'all know the vibes. Y'all know what we got going on around here. Okay, we're gonna clean it up, because like I said, this acrylic is just really, really loose. I try to dry it out as much as I can, but I also don't want a super stiff dang on bead. I don't want it. Take it back. We're gonna seal it around the cuticle. Taking our time, seal it, making sure our brush is moisturized. We don't want no dry brush. And we're gonna bring it on down, clean it up. You see how that bead is just sitting there? It's just sitting there, waiting on me. We with our brush, and we're gonna bring it on down, bring it on down. Clean it up, and keep the shape. Bring it on down. Going side to side. Yes, ma'am. Next nail. Big old bead. Where the natural nail and the tip meet. Like literally right there, the smile line. Tame it. Tame it at the top. Making sure it's fitting sidewall to sidewall with something in there. Something else in there. Ew. Yep. Tame it. Put it back on top of the nail. We're gonna bring it on down. 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 Y'all, my next video is going to be a haul of stuff I ordered on Amazon just a couple of days ago. So yeah, I'm gonna do a haul. I'm probably gonna make it a nail vlog because it was over the course of a couple of days, and I also had some nail clients in between there. So I'm gonna make it a little nail vlog, and I'm gonna drop it next week. This video right here will go live on probably Thursday or Friday, whichever day has the most engagement. Today is Wednesday, so I'm gonna look at it tomorrow. I'm gonna upload the video to YouTube tonight, and tomorrow I will see what day is best for me to make this video live. If you know what I mean. You know what I mean. Making sure you keep that shape when you're doing these nails. Make sure you keep that shape. That will save you a lot of time and a lot of arm strength. So yeah, tame it. Seal it around that cuticle. Get in there. Yeah, get in there. Yeah, get in there. I'm sorry, y'all. My head is just full of songs. Oh my God. We're gonna tame it, seal it. And we're gonna bring it on down, bring it on down. Clean it up. Don't use your nail like I just did. Don't do that. Just don't do it. Don't do it. Yes, ma'am. All right, now I'm finna speed it up, and we about to go real fast. Yep, right now. Tame it. Bring it on down. All right, y'all know the vibe. So I'm gonna turn some music on, and I'm gonna be back. As you can see, I effed up something, and I had to fix it. And then as I was trying to fix it, the acrylic was running off on the side of the finger, and I had to fix that. But yeah, anyways, like I said, y'all listen to some of these jams, and I'm gonna be back. After I do this nail, I am going to encapsulate all 3 nails, because then it's gonna be glitter nails. Like I said, I'll be back, boo. Picasso powders, but I got it years ago. Unsure if they even carry it anymore. And it was, I got put on by Ty Barbie. She's Ty Beauty now though, I think. I don't know. I'm sorry, y'all. TAH Beauty, I think. But I'm taking that one. No, it's not a 180. Taking this 8080 grit hand file, and I'm just, crisping it up the edges, hitting them corners. And that's what it look like after I'm done. Then I'm gonna take my sanding band and I'm going to go over the nail to get out them lumps and them bumps. So nobody want a lumpy and bumpy nails. It's not cute. You can see the lumps and the bumps through the top coat, babe. I just want to let you know, you can see the lumps and the bumps in the top coat. I be seeing some of the lumps and the bumps in my shit. So if your stuff look lumpy and bumpy, I can only imagine what people can see through the top coat. Cause I be seeing my little be a little dip here, a little dip there. I'm like, damn, fucked it up. Like this pinky right there, it's a little lump in it that I did not catch until I was looking at the final picture, and I'm like, dang, it's a little something over there that I could have fixed, but I didn't, and it is what it is. So yeah, 2 or 3 nails will be in real time, and then I'm gonna speed it up like Speedy Gonzalez, because you guys said you wanted longer videos. Only way I can give you longer videos and still give you dedicated like explanations is if I speed up half of it and do the rest in real time. So yeah, I take this sanding band and I go around the cuticle and I go across the natural. I mean, not the natural. I take this and I go across the nail to smooth it out, get up, like I said, lumps and bumps, and then I go around the cuticle to cut down some of the bulk. So yeah, and there I am, speeding it up. And then I hit the bottom, try to not create a C curve, but just kind of make sure my nail shape looks how I prefer it to look. So yeah, and sometimes I do have to turn it down if I'm going to get really close to the skin, because y'all, sometimes application get a little messy, and if it get a little messy, that means you got to get off the skin. If you got to get off the skin to prevent lifting, you got to do what you got to do, okay? Don't let your clients leave with that acrylic on their skin. Go ahead and get it off. It is what it is. Don't be embarrassed. As long as their nails look fine afterwards, they'll be alright. Alright, so after I use this after I use this bit with the sanding band, I'm going to turn to my panna bit. It's a tapered barrel and it is an extra fine. And I'm going to use that to do the cuticles. I think I'm zoomed in. I might not be zoomed in that much. Oh, we still at the same zoom. I think this enough. This should be enough. This should be enough for y'all. I think that should be enough. I guess I could zoom in just a little bit more. Y'all give me a sec. I'm gonna zoom in just a little bit more. But y'all continue watching or whatever. At least to some music. And I'll be back when we get to the good stuff. I zoomed in enough for the cuticle sealing part with the drill. You know what I mean? So right now we putting some rhinestones. Rhinestones I got from Amazon, of course. They shine and sparkly enough for me for the time being. I'm doing like a little swirly thing, and then I'm gonna add some smaller AB crystals in between the crevices of the bigger ones. So it'll be real cute. You guys will see it in the final product. It'll come up soon. I did this on both hands, and then I did a little cuticle bling, and then I did a couple of rhinestones on the cuticle on the thumb as well. Rhinestone glue I am using is Zulay today. Baby. Top coat will be Koopa. Yes, will be Koopa. When you're using this Zulay nail adhesive, make sure you spray with the hurry up spray, because sometimes it don't dry fast enough. Like, after I get done doing this, after I get done stoning, I need to go ahead and top coat. Like, I'm not trying to wait. I need to go ahead and do what I need to do so I can get it done. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you just hit it with the hurry up spray. So thanks again. Well, I didn't even say thank you. I want to say thank you guys for 800 plus subscribers, of course, and also all the comments and kind words that you guys leave. I really appreciate it. If you guys could leave me a white heart in the comments, I'll be commenting back. I know sometimes I'm a little slow, but I've been moving faster lately. So yeah, we're gonna keep the momentum going, and I'm gonna keep interacting with you guys. So please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm about to go because yeah, I gotta get out of here. Finished product is at the end. Bye.